Educational gadgets are transforming classrooms and homes into futuristic hubs of learning. From virtual reality headsets to AI-powered tutors, the landscape of education has never been more innovative. Whether you're a student, teacher, or parent, these gadgets promise to make learning engaging, effective, and most importantly, fun. Let's dive into the top educational gadgets that are redefining the way we learn. Number 10. Immersive learning environments. Blended Learning 2.0. Blended learning has come a long way from its early days of combining traditional classroom instruction with online resources. In this year, this method has evolved into a sophisticated, immersive learning experience. Technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality are now integrated into blended learning environments, allowing students to engage with digital content in ways that were previously unimaginable. From collaborative virtual classrooms to interactive simulations, blended learning platforms create a holistic educational experience that is highly personalized and interactive. By seamlessly merging the physical and digital worlds, these environments offer a more engaging and flexible approach to education. As schools continue to embrace these technologies, the lines between in-person and online education are blurring, making learning more accessible to students worldwide. Number 9. Educational wearables. Learning on the move. Educational wearables are blending physical activity with learning, making education a more holistic experience. Devices like the Garmin Vivofit Junior and Leapfrog Leapband not only track physical activity but also incorporate educational challenges that keep students engaged. These wearables are designed to get kids moving while also stimulating their minds, offering quizzes and games that test their knowledge in various subjects. For example, a student might have to complete a certain number of steps before they can unlock the next level of an educational game. These devices are especially popular among younger students who thrive on interactive, play-based learning. By combining fitness and education, wearables promote both physical and mental development. The gamified nature of these devices encourages students to stay active and engage, helping them develop healthy habits while they learn. Number 8. Coding kits. The future coders of the world. Coding is no longer just a specialized skill, it's becoming a fundamental part of education. Coding kits like the Kano Computer Kit and Raspberry Pi have made it easier than ever for students to learn the basics of programming through hands-on projects. These kits come with all the components needed to build and program various devices, from simple computers to interactive games. As students work through coding challenges, they develop essential skills like problem solving, logical thinking, and creativity. What sets these kits apart is their accessibility. Designed to be easy to use, even for younger students, these kits introduce coding in a way that is both fun and educational. By turning complex programming concepts into engaging, hands-on activities, coding kits empower students to become creators of technology rather than just consumers. Number 7. Digital microscopes. A closer look at science. For young scientists and curious minds, digital microscopes are a gateway to exploring the microscopic world. Devices like the Celestron Digital Microscope Pro offer high-resolution imaging and user-friendly interfaces, making it easy for students to examine samples of plants, insects, and other materials. These microscopes can be connected to computers or tablets, allowing students to capture and analyze images in greater detail. Digital microscopes not only make science more accessible, but also more engaging. By providing a hands-on approach to learning, these gadgets encourage students to ask questions, think critically, and explore the world around them. Whether in a classroom or at home, digital microscopes are sparking curiosity and scientific inquiry in students of all ages. The ability to see the unseen helps students develop a deeper understanding of biology and other scientific disciplines, making learning more exciting and impactful. Number 6. Gamified learning platforms. Education meets play. Gamification has taken the world of education by storm, and in 2024, it's more prevalent than ever. Educational platforms that incorporate game-like elements such as challenges, levels, and rewards are transforming the learning experience. These platforms make subjects like math and science more engaging by turning them into interactive games that keep students motivated. The appeal of gamification lies in its ability to make learning feel less like a chore and more like a fun adventure. Students are no longer passive recipients of information, they are active participants in their own learning journeys. Number 5. 3D printers. Building the future, one layer at a time. 3D printing is no longer just for engineers and designers, it's becoming an essential tool for students. With devices like the Toybox 3D printer and Creality Ender 3v2, students can design and create their own toys, models, and prototypes. This hands-on approach to learning introduces students to design, engineering, and manufacturing, making STEM subjects more accessible and fun. 3D printers allow students to bring their ideas to life in a tangible way. Whether they're building a prototype for a science project or creating a custom-designed toy, the possibilities are endless. This kind of creative freedom encourages innovation and problem-solving, helping students develop skills that are essential for the future. As 3D printing technology becomes more affordable and accessible, it's quickly becoming a staple in classrooms and homes alike. Number 4. Smart drawing tablets for the next Picasso. For aspiring artists, smart drawing tablets like the Wacom Intuos and XP Pen Artist Pro offer a new way to explore digital art and design. These devices come with pressure-sensitive styluses that mimic the feel of traditional drawing tools, providing a natural drawing experience. With a range of art programs and tutorials included, students can learn new techniques and styles while honing their skills. Smart drawing tablets are more than just tools for creating digital art, they're also powerful learning aids that help students develop their creativity and artistic abilities. By offering a platform for experimentation and self-expression, these devices encourage students to explore their artistic potential in new and exciting ways. Number 3. AI-powered learning platforms. Your new smart tutor. Artificial intelligence is reshaping education, and AI-powered learning platforms are at the forefront of this transformation. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to adapt to each student's unique learning style, providing personalized lessons and feedback. This makes learning more efficient and effective, as students receive targeted support based on their individual needs. AI-powered platforms are also helping teachers manage their classrooms more effectively by automating administrative tasks and analyzing student data. This allows educators to focus on what they do best, teaching, while AI handles the rest. With AI as a tutor, students can progress at their own pace, ensuring that no one is left behind. These platforms are not just tools for education. They're revolutionizing the way we approach learning and teaching in the digital age. Number 2. Augmented reality learning kits. Bringing learning to life. Augmented reality is changing the way students interact with educational content. Augmented reality learning kits like the Osmo Genius Starter Kit and Merge Cube blend digital content with the physical world, making abstract concepts more tangible and easier to understand. By engaging multiple senses, augmented reality enhances creativity and retention, making learning more dynamic and enjoyable. These kits cover a wide range of subjects, from geometry to biology, and offer a hands-on approach to learning that is both engaging and effective. Whether it's visualizing complex math problems or exploring the human body in 3D, augmented reality kits bring lessons to life in ways that traditional methods can't match. As augmented reality technology continues to evolve, it's becoming an essential tool for educators who want to make learning more interactive and immersive. Number 1. Virtual reality headsets. Traveling without leaving the classroom. Remember when virtual field trips meant watching a video on YouTube? Well, welcome to this year, where augmented reality headsets like the Oculus Quest 3 have taken that idea to a whole new level. With these headsets, students can explore ancient Rome, float in space, or dive into the ocean, all from the comfort of their classroom or home. Augmented reality headsets make subjects like history, biology, and geography come to life by allowing students to experience them in immersive 3D environments. These headsets also promote active learning by encouraging students to interact with their surroundings and engage with the material on a deeper level. In 2024, augmented reality is not just a tool for entertainment, it's a game changer in education. And there you have it, our top educational gadgets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest in educational tech. After all, you wouldn't want to miss out on the future of learning, right? Trust me, your future self will thank you.